Don't pay unnecessary taxes when you have to make changes to your portfolio. I spent about an hour and a half today looking at a woman's taxes and her tax return in her portfolio, trying to figure out how we were going to solve a situation for her. Her situation is that she has this very large concentrated position in one of her portfolios that we need to get rid of, but it has a pretty high gain, unrealized gain, so she'll get smoked with taxes if she just sells it all off. And it's in a taxable brokerage account. She has low income, so my first thought was, well, maybe we can sell off, a portion of it and take advantage of the 0% capital gains tax bracket, which for her is, like $43,000, $44,000, something like that, if taxable income. The problem is that she's on Social Security. So even though we might be in the 0% long-term capital gains tax bracket, we would be dragging in more of her Social Security. And so I ran that projection to see about what the effective tax rate would be on making a sale of that position. It's about 10%. But it spikes up to 15% if we just sold the whole position off. So what I did was I found a happy medium. I found an amount that we could sell off that would make me happy in reducing the size of this concentrated position. It would make her happy that it wouldn't blow her taxes out of the water next year. And we'll split it over 2 years. So I'll sell some of it today. I already just did. And then I'll sell some of it tomorrow, next year, to spread the tax out over 2 years. But the thing is that when you're doing that, it might be easier, even tempting, to just, say, okay, well, I want to sell half of it, and then just click in there and sell half of it. What I did is I didn't do that. What I did is I looked at the specific tax lots. So anytime you purchase a security, you have tax lots associated with it. So each purchase will have a tax lot associated. And your gain is, the total gain on any position is associated with each tax lot. So, what I did basically is I went in and I picked out the individual tax lots that had the lowest amount of gain and sold those off. What that allowed me to do is sell more positions at a relatively lower gain and save her a few $1,000s in taxes.